Well, hello everyone. It's Dawn. Welcome. And it is Sunday. Today is fun day. So I worked my butt off all week. I feel like I've been super busy. And then yesterday I worked from like 6 o'clock in the morning till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm super tired and I don't feel like doing anything important, even though I am. So today I'm just going to have a little fun. Just going to enjoy my painting. Today I've got a 16-inch MDF round. It's about a ½ inch thick. I've used this one before. I used some citrus strip to get the paint off because you can't just sand it off. It doesn't work that way. And then cleaned it all up with mineral spirits and gave it a light sand to get a nice smooth surface. I'm just going to go over it again really quick here to make sure there's nothing left to interfere. No lumps, bumps, anything like that. So we're good. And I got my little cup in the middle to raise this up so we can get some good edges here. And I'm just having some fun. Just going to really enjoy the process. So I have got Sherwin Williams Color to go. In the navy is my color today. And I've used this on a smaller piece. And I had to let it thicken up. It's still not super thick, but it's better than it was. So hopefully it will work for me today. I'm just going to leave it open, just like I have my tricorn black. I opened a new container and it's like water. It's super thin. So let's just get this spread out a little bit. Also looking for any bloops, which are super annoying. Let's spread it out some because we don't like that ridge that we get with the AC running. And of course, as usual with Sherwin Williams, you got your little paint boogers that you have to pick out, and they're everywhere. I think I got that one. Maybe I didn't. Dig a little deeper. Got it that time. I picked out most of them already. As I was stirring, there were some really big uglies. And I got those. See? Right there on the edge. Hiding. So I'm using all interference pigments in this bloom. And the one I'm putting on top actually has a little Amsterdam pearl paint in it to give the cell activator something to grab hold of. And that is going to be my interference blue, which is going on top. So, going to start with this little piggy ball gown. And I want a good amount of pigment down because on a piece this size it gets lost. So that was ball gown. I put that on the bottom because it's very strong and the gold can take over, and I don't like that. So next I have my Polycolor from Stone Coat, which is a lot of these today. This is the Interference Red. I'm going to blow this out with a blow dryer as well. And then interference violet. Loads of this. Love this. It's one of my favorites. And then I have, let's see, violet. I probably should do twinkle next. This little piggy, Twinkle. I think I have enough of that. And then this little piggy macaw, which I don't have a lot left. I need to make another batch. This has almost a turquoise interference to it, even though I think it's meant to be green gold. I find it pulls turquoise, which I love. And then finally, polycolor interference blue. And I'm using a black cell activator on this. I probably shouldn't. Yeah, I'm gonna use the black. Whatever. Nothing serious today. And remember, this is the one that has the Amsterdam Pearl Blue paint mixed in with it to give the cell activator something to really play on. All right, I'm gonna check to see if it's centered. I'm gonna pop some bubbles real quick. I made a lot of them by the way I put the pigments down. And I had just thinned some of them and mixed them up and created some all new bubbles. But hey, there's no bubbles in my pillow. All right, here we go. Get a good amount down. Probably should have made sure I wasn't hung up with my blow dryer cord before I started, because I was. Pretty even for starters. I'm gonna move some of these edges out just a little. Yeah, maybe I won't. It's yeah, it's looking like it flocculated a little bit. So we'll leave it, let it spread out naturally, and wait for that cell activated to break up some. Just wait for that to finish doing its thing. I have a long-standing love affair with interference paints, whether it's on a dark base or a light base. I'm obsessed with it. All right, she is ready to spin, and I'm just re-wetting my edge. Just to get it started. And a nice gentle spin. Oops, that wasn't much of a spin at all, was it? Ooh, my cup is moving. My cup runneth over. Just have to be careful. Just gonna give her a little slide just to move the paint weight. This particular pillow paint, in the navy, is a really lovely color when it's dry. It's a beautiful deep navy, and I don't mind if I have some of it still showing when I'm finished spinning. Trying to get this edge to go. It is going, it's just being pokey. Give her a little help. My cup back in the middle. And take that cup right out for now till I'm ready to clean my edges, just so I can get some decent spinning on this, get it moving before it starts to dry on me. All right, now we're looking to even out a little bit, so I'm going to push it that way. Should have done that before I set it down, right? See how that does. The paint weight is over here now. Pretty good. push her off center a little bit, see if I can close those gaps just a little bit. Oh, I see a big lump that was hiding, and of course it's in the very prettiest section. What did I do with my tweezers? Good thing I have extras. Didn't wreck it too much. Pop some bubbles. They're just teeny tiny ones. I'm going to check my paint depth in the center. It's about 1 millimeter, so it's not bad. Well, that was a quickie. I do like this a lot. This came out really pretty. Would have liked to have had a little bit more of the macaw towards the center, but it's fine. It's going to dry incredibly shimmery and beautiful. Couple stubborn bubbles, but I'm not going to worry about those. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up, and we will wrap it up with the dried results afterwards. Okay, here she is. That's the macaw. It's just so pretty. Got some really nice cell reactions. Huge cells in the center. I like how the lacing opened up for me. I'm happy with that. Oh, there's lots of macaw there that I didn't see. So that's pretty. But yeah, these cells in the center are huge. All right, I will be back with some dried results and we'll finish up. So she's mostly dry, not cured, just dry. And I have to say, I am really, really pleased with how this dried. The colors really popped on that navy background, and it is just gorgeous. It's going to look amazing under resin. Let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you if you have stayed this long, made it this far. I really appreciate you. And if you enjoyed this video and learned something, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. I would very, very much enjoy that. Thank you again, and I will see you next time.